Hello and welcome to MJR Piano Academy. In today's class, quick lesson, I want us to know how we can improvise our playing, and we get our playing from playing the basic notes only to mastering and improvising with a lot of techniques. First of all, I'm going to first demonstrate how our play will always be. That's a Christmas song, and we are going to build on that. And to begin with, we have our first tip or first trick are the grace notes. These ones we've seen them before. Whereby the first note is not on count, but it is played quickly. Like for instance, for this melody, we want these main notes. But then instead of just going, we add these two notes as graces and we play it like. Now you can also add more graces. For instance, on this major C major chord, you can play it in this format to add in more emphasis on each note. Yeah, that's our first tip. And another quick tip are the broken chords. These ones we've seen them before, but now applying them, instead of having these chords, the major ones, we shall instead have the broken chord format. I think you can feel that it is building on. And another last tip is our arpeggios. These ones we've seen them before in our previous videos. If at all you're not familiar with them, you can check those other videos about the arpeggios. I have them on this very channel. And we are going to apply them in this format. I think you can see that they can help us fill up that very big space or rest, such that our music is continuous and it flows smoothly. Yeah, in that format, arpeggios have different patterns. You can play them in that pattern, or it depends on how you want to bring them out. But I have in those videos about the arpeggios, I have the different patterns and the basic understanding of arpeggios. You can check them out. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe to always be updated when I upload a new video. Thank you.